Hey, Mr. Estrada here, and this video I want to talk to you about the angle partition postulate. So our learning target is I can partition an angle. All right, let's get to it. So it says to find the value of x. Now, before I go ahead and write an equation to solve for x, I want to explain a couple of things to you. First, you need to understand that there are actually three angles here. And let me go ahead and point them out to you. One of the angles that we see here is angle CBD. So we see angle CBD. That's one of three angles that we see here. And that's equivalent to 2x plus 6. But we also have two more angles here. The second one is angle ABD. And angle ABD is equivalent to 60 degrees. So that's the second one of three angles. The third one, the third angle we see here is angle ABC. And angle ABC is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, now, with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and give you the angle partition postulate. The angle partition postulate says the whole is equal to the sum of its parts. So the angle partition postulate is telling us that the whole, which is angle ABC, is equal to the sum of its parts. So we could write angle CBD. So these are the parts. These two angles here are the parts. And angle ABC is the whole. So the sum of the parts is equal to the whole. So let's go ahead and substitute. We get 2x plus 6 plus 60 equals 90. Right? I substituted for CBD with 2x plus 6, and I substituted for ABD with 60, and I substituted for ABC with 90. So I combine the like terms, I get 2x plus 66 equals 90. Subtract 66 on both sides. This cancels out. I get 2x equals 90. Subtract 66. That is 24. Divide both sides by 2. I get x equals 12. Now let's go ahead and plug that back in to 2x plus 6, which is angle CBD. So angle CBD is equal to 2x plus 6, which is 2 times 12 plus 6, which is 24 plus 6, which is 30. So we know angle here, angle CBD is 30 degrees, which makes sense, right? Because that 30 plus the 60 for angle ABD should give us 90 degrees, and 30 plus 60 is 90, so we know we did it correctly. So this is like our little check over here. And that's pretty much how you use the angle partition postulate. What you want to do is you want to figure out the parts, and then you add them up and you set it equal to the whole. And that's what we did here. We figured out what the different parts were. Then we used the angle partition postulate to write the equation, and then we solved it and we got x. All right, so don't forget, angle partition postulate says the whole is equal to the sum of its parts. Okay, I hope this video helps. Take care.